today I'm gonna to wash my hair. Ayo kita keramas. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna to wash my hair. Look at the hair. Okay, gonna take shampoo, and how to do it, just a simple. So I'm just, because I don't want to shower, so just take it. Oh, actually, there's nothing special about washing my hair because I just use the softer, same like what people use, but not so expensive. Just a shampoo and conditioner, and some massage your hair like this. Jadi ramasnya aku tuh nggak neko-neko guys, pakai apa adanya gitu. Okay, you done? Okay, I'm done. The video is just so simple, so you can move. Okay, gonna rinse it. Okay, now step 2, conditioner. Especially the top here. So for the conditioner, I just wash it for a while, not so long, because I want to leave some conditioner in my hair. And I'm finished. Ready to dry it? So this is my hair. Okay guys, that is for video today, and hope you like it. If you don't like, just watch it and subscribe. See you next time. Bye guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to wash my hair.